just here admiring my beauty. So I said, lady, you look so beautiful. In this condition, I'm glowing. Like, I feel energetic for the whole day and that kind of thing. But today I'm able to make it and I'm so glad, guys. And you know what? I came in early too. Because today, the way I woke up 6 and I have to just go to the kitchen and make some smoothie. So I brought smoothie. So I made smoothie for myself, my baby boys, that's my husband and my baby Caleb. And so today we came to this place, lab, for lab progress. So we are just writing a paper and you need to just draft your, see me here, am I not looking cute? Am I not glowing? See, my baby. But just that, guys, it's not easy. When I walk for long, my pelvic here, it pains me a lot. So when I walk, it pains me, but my provider said walking also helps. So at least walking, yeah. So I like to just be moving like this. Yeah. When I was just washing my hair, I said, wow, Linda, you look beautiful. You look cute. You look eloquent, splendid. And I think I love this my sweater because anytime I wear this sweater, I look like a big woman, like, that corporate woman, This oil for my hands and also for my stomach, yeah. That day, the delivery day. Because baby Caleb was my first time and this one is my second baby, so I think they said your first, look at my bag, look at me here, look at me, I look cute. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, I'm crazy. So they said your first baby, the delivery time prolonged, but your subsequent one. So I just hope this one, I'll be able to push that it will come out. Good. Yeah. So I called my husband and he said he's coming. In fact, I like how I'm just moving around. It's making me like preparing for my D-Day, because if I don't move around, it's going to affect me. Yeah. So I have to come to campus is very stressful. And also if I have pains, I'll wake up having pains, cramps, and then I have to just stop the school. And if I'm having appointments, I have to stop. But I've been emailing my professor, so that's one thing my professor said he loves about me. I submit my assignment on time. I do the right assignment, like following the instructions, and also like the performance is amazing according to him. And he said he did not know how I'm making it, because for this condition, and I'm able to also be taking care of my toddler and able to manage schoolwork, that if he was me, he don't think he will be able to do it. So that's a sign of a hard work. This is us. Yeah. The package has come, guys. We are not changing. So what is it? The thing that I've been wanting to get. Finally, I've gotten it. is I've not been feeling well. And since yesterday evening till now, it's now getting to 8 p.m. and I can't do anything. Like, I'm so sick and weak. I've been vomiting. Like,
apple.
Yeah, apple. That's mommy's apple.
This orange.
Orange. Yeah, that's.
Huh?
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This evening, I want to pack my baby things. These things. Yesterday, it wasn't easy. 24 hours. I was down, sick, like vomiting, feeling weak, like wasn't able to eat. What are you doing there? So yesterday, my husband was unboxing. Guys, I was feeling so bad for my baby inside me because I wasn't able to eat. I was just drinking water. And even the water that I was drinking, guys, if I drink the water, I feel like throwing up. And I needed to drink the water. And my baby was also moving, like moving. I think the baby was thinking that, what is happening? What is happening, mommy? I couldn't even eat my normal boiled eggs that I used to eat. Later on, I asked my husband to get... Yeah, I asked my husband to go and get me protein shake. Like, that's the only thing that can help me, protein shake. And when my husband brought the protein shake too, because I wasn't feeling well, the taste wasn't appealing for me. Like, I wasn't feeling it. It tasted so bitter in my mouth. And when I was drinking it, this boy was laughing at me. When I do my face like, then my boy was laughing at me. And that was the only... I took half. Yeah, I took half because he bought 2 flavors. And I took half. And I kept it there. So, and my back, my chest, everywhere was paining. You see, the vomit that I vomited, that was my first time ever vomited ever. Because Caleb's time, I did not vomit. I was just feeling nausea. And this baby too, the same thing. So yesterday and the day before yesterday that I vomited was the very first time vomiting that I have ever vomited in my pregnancies. So when my husband was unboxing the things, I was just lying down on the bed, just like. So I ordered this from Shein and it came. One package, I felt disappointed yesterday, but because I was sick, I didn't want to add it to my problem. So I let it go. We packaged it back. We will return it. It's a dressing mirror, like kind of dressing table. It came with a mirror. We opened it. The top edges was broken. Like the middle part was also cracked. But the second package, this one, I love it. It came exactly like the picture. I like the size of it. It's purposely for my baby boy clothing. So I want to do that this evening. It looks so cute here. It's 9 storage drawers, like 9. Yeah, and I love it so much. The size is very huge. The sizes are huge. You see, it has huge sizes. So I can do it for you, baby. So normally we keep baby Caleb's home clothing here together with his sleepwears and them things. And this room, so please don't dirty it, okay? So we are coming to select. No, don't add any sweet taste to it. So I'll just separate his sleepwears. So these are his sleepwears. These are some of the sleepwears. If you want to even wear something, you will not see it. But if it's hanged or maybe put in a drawer, it's easier to remove it or maybe identify it on time. Yes, baby. Thank you, baby.
Bubble light.
Yeah.
Baba too, and I will say Baba.
Okay, is that why you're giving it to me?
No, my too.
Okay.
Baba.
Okay, so we are doing your work here.
No, that's mine.
I know it's yours. Your trouser. Oh, it's also 2 pieces. I need this. Oh. Oh. Why are you laughing? Are you laughing at me? Or daddy? Or your baby?
You want to come and lift? So how do you feel when I lift?
It's like you have lifted a weight, a heavy weight from my abdomen.
Because the weight it pulls down.
Yeah. So guys, see, my husband doing this, it really helps me a lot because it's like the weight is being lifted. I wish you would just be carrying it so. So like if everything is down here. Everything is down here. We have the belt, but I've not been
putting on the belt.
putting on the belt. Because the belt has been kept here, so
You want me to take you? Mommy should take you?
and this boy did like me, pick, mommy pick.
Because of your sister. So mommy will pick your sister and take you too. So when your sister comes, your sister will be here and you also be there.
No, I'm not sure.
So when your sister comes, you allow your sister to reach out.
No, I don't see that. I'm not.
Yeah, because when your sister comes, sister is small. You know, you have to be carrying your sister.
No.
When your sister is crying, you can, oh baby, princess. Then you carry, mommy, baby is crying. Then you, mommy, baby, big baby. You can do that. Don't cry. Don't cry.
I'm not jealous, though, guys. My mom said that's how it should be.
Yeah,
But these
don't
days,
cry.
like, mommy carry me.
Don't cry, baby.
Beating my bottle too. I will beat you. Because I'm also like tinting. Guys, why can no play make jacket or hair, right?
Because when you see when you have a lot, you tend to just destroy them. You didn't throw scatter the whole thing.
Yes, because
But you know, you are thinking that your parents, yes, we are rich, but you know we don't have to waste the money like that.
yes, you can't go in class. Baba, would you like
And we know that you are a future surgeon, you know, but you know you don't have to start wasting. You have to keep the money people are poor so that you can go out and help people who need food. So don't waste the food.
Yes, this is not good. It's not hungry. It's not recruiting. It's not with my
Okay, into the crack they say.
Yes, it's got me sorry, guys.
The crack, and they say.
Look, this is nothing.
Yeah, so you have to take water, then it ends there.
Say that I will be trashing it because it's not good anymore. See? You see? Jesus Christ! Who is screaming like that? Why?
You will say bath. I'm going to bath.
Bathing. Let's talk. See, parenting is expensive. Like, easy to be a parent. If you want to be a parent, you have to be fully prepared.
Every night,
we got things. I
paradise seems to
and you see, Shin, when the thing comes, like my boy is 2 years, right? He's 2 years and some few months. and I'll order the things 3 years plus. It will come, it will be small on him. We will go to Walmart, we will get the things. Caleb outgrown his clothing so fast. Like he kind of grow faster than his clothing, like grow faster than his age. So it has made his clothing look small on him. And that's making me think that, okay, that means parenting, you have to be fully prepared. You have to be like financially, mentally, everything prepared, because you will be spending money. Ones are new socks I got from this one recently, that I got them from the store just few weeks ago. So this is the one he has been wearing, because most of the socks here, they look small, but we still wear him that. But this, so it's like every day we go to the store, we have to buy something for our baby boy. And I'm just thinking, so you have to be having some money, you see, that kind of thing. Like, always make sure you have money on you, at least something small, especially if you're a parent. Because if you chop all your money, if you spend all your money and you have a child, it's not going to be easy. So that's how me and my husband, we have been doing. We don't have money, but the little we have, we make sure that we attend to our boy, his needs and wants that. So that's the thing. So I'll continue, because I am tired. What to keep? I don't know what to keep here, up here. I think I'll put his socks and singlet or whatever. So his summer outfit that he can wear. This is a hat, and this is shorts. It has been kept in a hidden place. It's very difficult for him to be wearing it. This is the reason why I'm saying I needed it.